Maren model 203 338S auto tie baler. It's a control panel. This is a tie rack. Opposite side's a needle arm rack. Feed hopper. This is the hydraulic ram. It is a 10-inch cylinder, 30-second ram cycle time. This electric motor that operates hydraulic pump, it's 60 horsepower, 3-phase electric. Fluid cooling fan and recirculating pump, they're also 3-phase electric motors. Well, here's the aforementioned needle rack. A bit better view with the sun behind me instead of in front of me. This also has a in-feed conveyor. It's powered by a 3-phase electric motor. Baler's in the automatic cycle. Photo eye indicates hopper's full. Shuts off the in-feed conveyor.
Let's take one at a time.
Activates the flap. Yeah. And that's the wire ties.